All right, just ignore the madness of a background I have going on, okay? All right, baby subbies. Hey guys, how are you doing? Happy day, happy whatever day it is, I don't even know. So I'm doing a video that I don't normally do on my channel. I normally do like travel vlogs, existing adventures, that type of vibe, but a lot of people have been commenting asking for my curly hair routine. It looks like a mess right now, look at the back. Yeah, a lot of people have been commenting for a hair routine and a skin routine. So I did a poll on my channel. I was like, which one would you guys rather have? It was a very, you know, informative poll. I think you guys really helped with the decision making. I think somehow out of 900, almost 1,000 votes, it ended up exactly 50%. Don't really know what to do with that information, but I think enough people want to see my curly hair routine. So if you guys have really stalked my channel, you know that I did a curly hair routine like when I first started my channel. Very embarrassing, very much just not giving. But now that I'm here in South Africa, now that I've been here for a while, I think I'm gonna try some new products. So every product that I use today is gonna be something that you can get here in South Africa. I just kind of found them out here. So this is everything that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna wash my hair first with this shampoo that I've never used before in my life. And then we're just gonna go to town, see what we can come up with. I got all these products at Clicks. I'll explain it more after I wash it. I don't wanna talk that much at the beginning. I kind of just wanna dive right into it. So here we are, we're gonna start with the shampoo. All right, first thing first, wet the hair. And then I'm gonna start with this tea tree oil and rosemary shampoo from HASK. I'm just gonna get a lot and then go to town, scrub it up dub on the top of my scalp. And then just gonna make sure I get it all through. And after that, I'm gonna rinse it on out. Next, I'm gonna put some conditioner in my hair. I use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey. And then just put it all in. And at this point, I realized I was tired of filming in the shower. So yeah, you rinse and then we're ready. Oh, all right. So I'm back from that struggle shower I just took. Literally, this background is such a hot mess. I need y'all to just pretend like it doesn't even exist. The shampoo that I normally use like a tea tree shampoo just because I like it to feel like, you know, my scalp has a little tingly sensation going on. That's why I love using tea tree oil shampoos, but that one didn't really give me the burn that I was anticipating. You know what I'm saying? I wanted it to be invigorating. I wanted it to feel refreshing and just like a fire going on in my scalp. But it was okay, you know, I'm not mad at it. Worse, could be better for sure. And then the conditioner I use, this is actually a conditioner that I use in the US, but I found it when I got here, so I was like, say less, I'm with it. And then today I'm gonna be trying this product. I've never used this before in my life. It's called Mango and Marula. One of my friends, she told me this is the best hair product ever, and she has similar hair to mine, so I'm gonna try it, see what happens. And then also this brand, NILOTIQA, I have no idea. I'm gonna start with this one, just because I normally start with the ones in the bottles that are shaped like this. Literally no reason at all, I just feel like those are normally the ones that are good for detangling. It smells beautiful. Can't wait to try it out. We're just gonna plop it on. Okay. All right. Just gonna get it all in there. Whenever I do my hair, I normally use a wide tooth comb at first. This is what I use to like detangle everything. And then after it's detangled, I put a whole bunch more product in my hair, and then I use this and I separate it and go through and kind of like let it bounce. You know what I'm saying? It really gives it that bounce that I was looking for. So this is a Denman brush. It's not gonna tingle today just because I combed it yesterday, but man, I should have waited like a week and then did this so y'all could see what my hair goes through sometimes. Was cool. You know, I feel like I didn't put enough, so it's still kind of dry, but now I'm about to really go in with the Denman brush, okay? I really don't do that much to my hair. Like, I don't do crazy dry fluff. I really just put a whole bunch of stuff in it, comb it, let it air dry, and then hope for the best. I think I'm gonna use like majority of this just because I really want to see if it works. Ah, that's tough. I think it actually smells like a mango. Oh, it's very like silky, you know? It's not like super thick. I feel like it dispersed really nicely. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna get a lot more the other side. Ah. This video is from a curly hair baby subbies out there. If you got straight hair, you could try it, but it's probably not gonna work. So I put that in there, and then normally I split it into two parts of my head, and then I take this, my trusty, rusty Denman brush, and I section it off, and I literally just, I literally just go like this, see? And then throw it back. All right, baby subs, y'all wanna hear the dustiest thing that happened to me today and why I'm making a hair care video today, like why today was the best day to do it. So I decided to do my laundry last night. And we don't have a dryer. We normally just wash and then we hang it up on the line. So I threw my clothes in the washer last night. So that way when I woke up today, I could hang them up. And of course, the one day in January, it decides to rain. Just happens to be the one day that I decided to wash my clothes. So I put my clothes outside like hella early. Literally an hour later, it's raining. I go outside to grab my clothes and there's literally bird doo-doo on my sweatpants. I was like, how come, how out of every day of the month, the one day I wanna wash my clothes, this is what happens. So now I literally got all my clothes hanging up in my room. I had to take all my clothes out of my like dresser and then hang up all my wet ones. But you know what? It's fine. We're making it through. We're gonna have a great hair day today. This is what the difference looks like already from the Denman brush. Can you tell? This side just looks more like moisturized. I think ever since I started using this Denman brush, this is really the key to success. I feel like as long as I put a lot of any type of product in my hair and I use this Denman brush, I feel like results are there. My hair just really thrives. Alright, this is what it looks like right after the Denman brush. Let me give it a spin. Ooh, she's a queen. So now I'm going to use this As I Am. I have this product in the US too, and I normally use it there. So when I saw it out here, I was like, ooh, yes, I can't wait. So I'm gonna put this in my hair and then I'm gonna go back through my hair with my wide tooth comb to kind of separate all the little curls I just made. Oh my god, I just got that everywhere. There's so many smells going on in my hair right now. I don't know how I feel about it. Normally all my products kind of smell the same. I feel like these are all completely different. It's like a mixture of sugar, spice, and everything nice going on. Then I'm just gonna comb it, the wide tooth comb, like so. And then boom. All right, the last thing I do that I feel like helps my hair dry faster, I don't know if it's just in my head or what, but I wrap my hair up in a towel. I know you're probably thinking like, is it gonna mess with girls? Well, if your hair is like curly enough, then it's okay. So I go like this, and then like this, and then I go like that. Now I sit here until I remember to take the towel off my head. It normally takes about 15 minutes, and then I'm like, ah, okay, I'm tired of this. And then my hair should take probably like 3 to 4 hours to dry. So I'm gonna do all of that, and I'll be back in 3 to 4 hours so you guys can see the final product. This is literally my quick and easy hair care routine. I don't spend a lot of time doing my hair just because that's a lot of work and it gets tangled easily, and I have to do it so often that if I spent a ridiculous amount of time every day, I would probably go crazy. So yeah, this is pretty much just what I do, and then some days it turns out great and beautiful, and other days it turns out sideways. Listen, the key to all my tutorials, if it's easy, efficient, then you can do it too, you know? All right, BRB. So what are we thinking? How do we feel about, you know, this curl update? What do you guys think? I think, well, first of all, it's like 11 p.m. at night. It took a really long time for my hair to dry, and it's still low-key kind of damp, but I think it's because of the products, if I'm being honest. I think they're so moisturizing that they just took a while to dry in my hair. I don't know, but my hair feels like really soft and light and like conditionerized. I don't really know. Moisturized right about now, you know what I'm saying? But it feels almost like silky. I think it's pretty good. I wish I could film this when the sun is up so you could get like the full lighting effect, but if I wait till tomorrow, it's gonna be squished in my sleep and then it's just not gonna get what it's supposed to give. So yeah, this is my curly hair routine, you know? Something light, something simple. Thanks for watching, baby subbies. Love you guys so much. Y'all are the best. I hope you have the best day, night, sleep, time, date, month, year ever. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm not gonna see you guys again. Okay, bye. Hit the subscribe button right here and watch another video right here. And then I'll see you guys in the next video.